Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We're the Vega family. We're a family of 5 who loves exploring places that helps us slow down, learn something new, and experience the world a little differently. Everything at the Vega household, it's an adventure. In the last video, we explored the streets, markets, plazas, and historic areas around Buenos Aires, Argentina. But in this video, part 2, we're taking you inside one of the most historic and meaningful places of the entire city. That's right, the Metropolitan Cathedral of Buenos Aires. And honestly, once we walked inside, the atmosphere changed completely. The second we stepped inside, everything immediately felt quieter. There was a peace, and the noise from the outside disappeared. People were speaking softly, candles were lit throughout the cathedral, and there was just this calm, this peace everywhere. It's one of those places that instantly makes you feel at peace. Over the centuries, the cathedral was rebuilt multiple times after structural damage and redesigns, which is why the building today feels more like a mix of periods of history, all in one place. One thing we learned while visiting is that the exterior was actually designed in a neoclassical style inspired by the ancient Greek temples, which explains why it looks very different from most cathedrals you usually see in Latin America. Now, the amount of detail everywhere is impressive. The ceilings, the massive columns, the artwork, the gold accents. Every direction you look feels layered with history and craftsmanship. It's one of those places where the slower you walk, the more you notice. Little details in the artwork, the textures on the walls, the way the light changes throughout the cathedral, the mosaics. Oof. One thing that really stood out to us was the floor. The floor has this mosaic design throughout the entire cathedral, and it was inspired by Venetian styles and completed piece by piece by piece over many years. Once you start noticing, you realize how much work went into every corner of this place. Now, something that's hard to explain on camera is the atmosphere in here. Beautiful natural light, the silence, the candles, the people quietly praying and reflecting. The cathedral feels peaceful in a way that's difficult to describe until you experience it yourself. The main altar is so beautiful. A lot of decorative pieces and materials inside were bought from Europe centuries ago, which was common in important churches throughout Latin America. Even though this is one of those most visited places in the city, it feels very personal. People weren't rushing. Most were quietly sitting, reflecting, playing, or simply taking in the space. One of the most important places inside the cathedral was the mausoleum of General José de San Martín. San Martín is considered one of the great liberators in South America and helped lead the independence movements of Argentina, Chile, and Peru. His remains were brought here in the late 1800s and are still guarded ceremonially today. And honestly, standing here in person feels much more powerful than just reading about it in the history books. One of the biggest connections people make with this cathedral today is Pope Francis. Before becoming Pope Francis, Jorge Mario Bergoglio served as Archbishop of Buenos Aires for many years. Knowing the history while you're walking through here makes the experience feel even more meaningful. There's audios, devices, and there's also interpreters in many of these specific places that you can enjoy from. Because this cathedral isn't just important religiously, it's connected to the history, identity, leadership, and culture of Argentina itself. There are some places you visit before you're famous, then there are places that generally make you pause for a moment, and this definitely felt like one of those places for us. If you ever visit Buenos Aires, this is absolutely one of those places worth slowing down for. Not to just see it, but to experience it. Now, thank you guys for exploring with us another amazing place. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.